Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to play Beach Buggy Racing with friends. Okay, so if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are So here, Beach Buggy Racing is a fun multiplayer racing game that allows you to play with friends both locally and online. To play with friends, follow these steps. So first, for local multiplayer, is connect controllers. Ensure that you have enough controllers connected to your gaming platform for each player who wants to join the game. Launch the game. Start Beach Buggy Racing on your chosen gaming platform, then select Local Multiplayer. In the main menu or settings, look for the option to play local multiplayer or split screen multiplayer and add players. Depending on the game's interface, you can assign each connected controller to a player. Usually, you will see prompts on the screen to join the game by pressing specific buttons on the controller. Choose game mode. Select the race mode or other multiplayer game modes you want to play, okay? And lastly, for local multiplayer, start the race. So finally, once all the players are ready, start the race, and you can compete against each other on the same screen. Okay? So those are the guide if you want to play for local multiplayer. And now for online multiplayer, what you need to do is to first connect to the internet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection on your gaming platform, then launch the game. Okay? So once you've launched the game, just go ahead and select online multiplayer. Look for the option to play online multiplayer in the main menu or settings. Now, invite friends. Depending on the game, you can invite your friends to join your online lobby directly through the game's interface. Alternatively, you might need to use your platform's friend list or invite system to send game invites to your friends. Next one, join friends games. If your friends have already started an online game, they can invite you to join them using the game's invite system or through your platform's friends lists. And lastly, just go ahead and race with friends. Finally, once all the players are in the same online lobby, start the race and you can compete against your friends from different locations. Please note that the exact steps may vary slightly depending on the gaming platform and the version of the game you are playing. For the most accurate instructions, you can refer to the game's official documentation or community forums. Additionally, some game versions or platforms may require a subscription or online membership to access online multiplayer features. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!